right, let's take a look at question 15 from homework 17. This is one where they're giving us, they're asking us to find a function. And they're telling us that the slope of the tangent line to the graph of this function at any point is, f prime of x. And they're giving us f prime of x equals e to the x plus 5x. And they're also telling us that the graph passes through the point 0, 3. Okay? So they're giving us two pieces, and what they want us to find is f of x. Okay? Well, we know that if this is the derivative, then to find the function that it came from, we just need to take the integral of that derivative. We're just going to basically undo what we did when we found the derivative. So e to the x plus 5x with respect to x. So to find what we need to first find this integral. Okay? We know the integral of e to the x is e to the x. Piece of cake there. We know that the integral of 5x is going to be 5x squared over 2. Okay? I just raised the exponent by 1 and put the exact thing that I've raised it to in the denominator. And then we also have the ever pesky plus c. Okay, let me rewrite this just a little bit, clean it up. I'm just going to do 5 halves x squared plus c. That might make things easier to see. Okay, so I'm super close. I'm super close. I almost have the answer they're looking for, but I need to figure out what c is. Well, I can't do that unless I know something about that original function. But this here, they're telling us that this function goes through 0, 3. That means that when x is 0, the value of the function is 3. Okay? So x equals 0, y equals 3. That tells me that in my original function, this f of x, if I plug in a 0, the answer's supposed to be 3. So let's do that. So we have f of 0 here. That's e to the 0 plus 5 halves times 0 squared. I'll put those in parentheses so you know I'm plugging in there, plus c, and that equals 3 is what they're telling us. Okay? Well, e to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1. 0 times anything is 0, so that goes away. So 1 plus c equals 3, which tells me that c equals 2. Okay? So all I need to do now is just plug that 2 back in where the c was. So my final answer that I'm going to be entering is going to be f of x equals e to the x plus 5 halves x squared. That's what I found up here when I found it. And what I didn't know was c, but now I know that c equals 2. So that's going to be plus 2. And that is how you solve question number 15.